2025 Prelim TNS School Paper 2 Question 5. A cyclist and a motorist started traveling at the same time from point A to point B. Okay, point A to point B. The motorist's average speed was 16 km faster than the cyclist. When the motorist reached point B in 12 minutes, the cyclist had only traveled 3/5 of the distance. Now let's split this into 5 parts. Okay. When the motorist reaches point B, the cyclist reaches 3/5 of the distance. Okay. We also know that the motorist was 16 km per hour faster than the cyclist. So in 60 minutes, the motorist will be 16 km ahead. Right? Let's count 12 minutes. How much ahead is the motorist? So 16 divided by 60 times 12. Okay, divided by 12. 5. This will give us 3.2 km ahead. Alright, so the motorist is 3.2 km ahead of the cyclist when he reached point B. Okay, now given that we have split the distance into 5 parts, we can treat this as 1u, 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 1u. Right? So 2u is 3.2 km. Let's find the distance traveled by the cyclist, which is 3/5, that is 3 units. Okay, so 3.2 divided by 2, divided by 3. Okay, this will give us 4.8 km. So this distance traveled by the cyclist is 4.8 km. Now, the question wants us to find the speed of cyclists. Remember our triangle for speed questions? D, T, S. Alright, to find speed, you need to take distance over time. So distance in this case for the cyclist is 4.8 km. And what's the time taken? The time is 12 minutes. Now we want our answer in km per hour, so we have to change our 12 minutes into hours. Alright, now let's do a little partition here. 12 minutes is equals to 12 over 60. Right, there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. This 1, this is 5. 1/5 hour gives us 0.2 hour. Right, now back to the speed. 4.8 distance divided by time, which is 0.2 hour. Okay, this will give us 24 km. Alright, this is our answer, 24 km per hour.